Two people can look at the same home and still need two different mortgages. So the better question is not which loan is better, it is which fits your situation. FHA or conventional. Hi, I'm Sabrina. I have over 16 years of financial experience, and every week I create simple mortgage videos to help homeowners become at least 10% smarter. Today, we're comparing FHA and conventional loans for both purchases and refinances. So lock in. Okay, basic difference. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. Conventional loans are not government insured. So that difference affects qualification, mortgage interest, insurance, cost, and long-term strategy. Right? Purchase. So FHA may allow for as low as 3.5% down. Some conventional options may allow as low as 3% for eligible buyers. So do not only compare only the down payment, compare the full picture. All right, purchase qualification, different guidelines. The FHA may offer more flexibility in certain situations. Conventional may fit better for others. Credit, income, debt, assets, and property all matter. I always say loans are like a puzzle. Now, everybody has different pieces, different sizes. They all have to fit together at the end of the day. So definitely look into your opportunities. Mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance matters. FHA generally has mortgage insurance. Conventional loans may have PMI, which is private mortgage insurance, when putting less than 20% down. The big question is how much it costs and how long it may stay. Okay. Look beyond the rate. Now, your payment is more than principal and interest. You have taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance matter too. A lower rate does not always mean a lower total payment. All right, cash to close. Cash to close can include down payment, closing costs, prepaid items, escrow setup, and credits. Always ask for the full estimated cash to close. So I've had so many clients that don't realize there is cash to close and that all these items are needing to be paid for some way or another. So, down payment and seeing how much cash that you need to satisfy those things like prepaid items, escrow setups, things like that. Definitely check it out. And also with seller concessions, I will say look at that opportunity as well. Ask questions. Property matters too. So the home must fit too. The borrower is not the only part of the approval. The property matters. Some loan programs may have different property condition or appraisal requirements. Okay. FHA may require something. Conventional might be different. You never know. So always ask questions. Look at all the pieces of the puzzle here and make sure that it's going to make sense for you. Okay, so the home must fit. Purchase comparisons. Same home, different loan. Ask your lender to compare FHA and then compare conventionals side by side using the same purchase price. Look at the rate, look at the payments, look at the cash to close, look at the mortgage insurance, and look at your long-term cost in the future. Okay. Refinance, what changes? So you already own the home. It's already in an FHA loan or a conventional loan. With the refinance, we are not focused on down payment anymore. Now we're looking at your current home, the loan, the equity, the mortgage insurance, closing cost, and your goal. Okay. What mortgage do you have now? Start with your current mortgage. Is it FHA, conventional, or something else? Your current loan affects which refinance options may be available. So certain loans do benefit refinances and borrowers, just depending. It just depends. Want to look at your full picture. FHA to conventional. Could conventional remove mortgage insurance protection that is on an FHA loan? Some homeowners with FHA loans later compare conventional refinance options, especially if their credit has improved or their home values increased. But the new loan still has to make sense after the cost. Okay. And there's so many reasons why one would choose to refinance. So definitely go over this with your mortgage broker, your mortgage lender, whomever, and get multiple opinions if you need to. Okay. Conventional FHA. Now, could FHA be a better fit now? Sometimes FHA may offer flexibility if a homeowner's situation has changed, but FHA is not automatically cheaper. Conventional is not automatically better. Compare the whole loan. Look at your payment. One thing that I love to glance at is payment. Seeing doing an apples comparison here and seeing what is what and the costs are incurred. What's the trade-off? Right, refinance goal. What are you trying to accomplish? Are you lowering your payment? Are you changing the term? Are you removing mortgage insurance? Are you accessing equity or improving cash flow? The goal matters in comparing loan types, especially when it comes to eligibility too. Compare the refinance, do side-by-side review. As I had mentioned before, apples to apples comparison. Compare the rate, compare the payment, the loan amount, mortgage insurance, closing costs, and break even. Refinance is a new mortgage, so treat it like a financial decision. Ask your mortgage broker, your mortgage lender what your options are. The full picture helps. Okay. Questions to ask. Okay, so I asked before closing, which options do I qualify for? What is my full payment? How much cash do I need? How long does mortgage insurance stay? What are my total costs? And ask yourself, does this fit my goals? Look a couple years, a few years down the road, anticipate life's changes, look at your current situation, trade-offs. moving situations. So many things when it comes to mortgage. And look at lifestyle, comfortability, all that stuff matters. Okay. It's okay to ask questions. In closing, the best loan is the one that fits. FHA is not automatically better. Conventional is not automatically better. The best loan is the one that fits your qualifications, your property, your budget, your long-term plans. If you leave today understanding FHA and conventional loans a little better than before, then your time was well spent, and I appreciate you spending it with me. Go ahead and subscribe and check out the next video.